We got some tomatoes, everyone's favorite thing to study, and they're different shapes and sizes. They're in front of you. All 11 of the tomatoes have been grown under the same conditions with everything. One tomato received an additional nutrient supplement. The tomatoes have been divided into groups A and group B. All right, the mean weight of each group has been calculated. So then it says, what's the difference of the means A minus B, all right, which is what it's going to be, all right, every time, X bar A, X minus B, or minus X bar B. All right, so a difference of 1.64 ounces in terms of which group has a larger mean. So if I do A minus B and I get a positive number, then group A has a mean 1.64 larger than group B. Okay, what does the difference of negative 0.4 mean? Well, that means that I did A minus B and I got a negative number. So that means group B has a mean 0.4 larger than group A. All right, because when I do X bar A minus X bar B, if I get a positive number, it means that A had to be bigger. But if I get a negative number, it means B had to be bigger, okay? Just in terms of really regular, normal subtraction rules, all right? Explain what the difference between a difference value of 0 would mean. It would mean that group A and B have the same mean, okay? And it would mean that the value is the mean of the overall group. Now, that part is probably not anything that would be relevant to what you're trying to figure out here. But if I only have 10 tomatoes and I put 5 in each group and I find the average of each group and the average is exactly the same, that means that if I put them all together, the average would not change, okay? Because it's the same exact average. I'm pushing them together. It's still going to be the same average when I push them into the same group. All right, so that is one little weird thing about this that you can find out, but only if you have groups that are each half of the overall amount.